Hi guys, today we're gonna discuss the extrinsic eye muscle. So you can see this picture. I've taken this picture from the book called Atlas of Human Anatomy by Natter. So in this picture, we're gonna study the muscle which are located just outside the eyeball. So that's why it is called as extrinsic eye muscle. There is also intrinsic eye muscle which is located inside the. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry. So extrinsic eye muscle, it is located just outside the muscle. It's just outside the eye, and intrinsic, which is the muscle which is located inside the eyeball. So in this lecture, we will discuss the extrinsic muscles which are just located outside the eyeball. So let me zoom in. So we have a two view, that is this right lateral view and the superior view. So in previous lecture, I've already told you, and we all know. So what is lateral view? Lateral view means we are looking at the things or any organ from its side. That is considered as a lateral view. And the superior view, we are looking at the organ or anything or human body from the top. That is a superior view. There is another opposite term also, that is inferior, and the opposite of lateral is a medial. So whenever we gonna come across this word lateral view, or sorry, lateral things or lateral organ or lateral muscle or anything, so just remember, if there is a lateral muscle, there will be a medial muscles also. And whenever there is a superior muscle or anything, and before that word there is a lateral or superior, so remember, there will be medial or and inferior thing is present. Okay, so means there is no any chance that you are studying the lateral muscle and you're not gonna come across the medial muscles. Okay, and that is why they have differentiated these two terms, means because there are two muscle, and to differentiate these two muscle, they came up with this word like lateral and medial. So differentiate the muscle and its location. So if lateral means it is at the side, in medial means it is located medially, and if anything this is superior to anything, so there will be some inferior thing is also there. So it's very easy to learn anatomical structure, anatomical things with the help of these words. Okay, so right now let's focus on the main topic, that is the right lateral view, and we're gonna study the extrinsic eye muscle from the lateral view. So we have, when we'll see the eyeball from the lateral side, so what we're gonna see, that is superior oblique muscle. So as I told you already, that whenever this term superior oblique muscle means, it's an indication that there will be inferior oblique muscles also. So let's find if we have that inferior oblique muscle. Okay, so inferior oblique muscle. Okay, here, as I said, whenever you will see any superior term, or there will be opposite thing also, that is inferior. So we have superior oblique muscle, we have inferior oblique muscles also. Next, levator palpebrae superior muscle. Okay, again superior rectus muscle, so there will be inferior rectus muscles also. We have this medial rectus muscle, so we should have the lateral rectus muscles also, that's also we have. And the common tendinous of ring. Common tendon, it is the area where all the muscle combine or joint with the tendon. That is common tendinous ring, or you can say it is behind the eyeball. Okay, it is behind the eyeball where all the muscle coming and meeting to this tendon area. That area is called common tendinous ring. Okay, now inferior oblique muscle we have discussed, lateral rectus muscles we have discussed, the optic nerve C2, cranial nerve second. Okay, you can see this white area. Okay, it is a nerve which is optic nerve. We will study this optic nerve in the future lecture, but try to keep in mind optic nerve, it is connected to the eyeball from behind, and we have these muscles: superior oblique muscle, inferior oblique muscle, superior rectus muscle, inferior rectus muscle, medial rectus muscle, and the lateral rectus muscle. And there is a one more term, that is common tendinous ring, trochlea, optic nerve 7, and lateral rectus muscle we have already discussed. So it was from the lateral view. Now let's discuss from the superior view. So it is the picture we are looking from superior view. Okay, so we have trochlea, we have discussed superior oblique muscle. Okay, superior oblique muscle, medial rectus muscle, inferior rectus muscle, common tendinous of ring, optic nerve C and 2. We have discussed lateral rectus muscle, superior rectus muscle, levator palpebrae, and superior tarsus. Okay, so this is a term which we didn't study in this lateral view. So if we'll see the eye from the superior view, we can see this extra term. Okay, so that is the main purpose of this view. Okay, so from different view we can see the different thing. So in lateral view we were not able to see that superior tarsus. Okay, but from the superior view we can see the superior tarsus. Okay, so that's the purpose of the different view. Okay, lateral palpebrae, superioris muscle we have discussed. So we have covered this right lateral view and the superior lateral view. Let's see if we have anything else. Okay, we have more things to learn, that is innervation of intrinsic eye muscle, anterior view. Okay, this is the anterior means we are looking at the eye from the front side. As you can see in the picture, it is the front view. So what we can see: superior rectus muscle, medius rectus muscle, inferior and inferior oblique muscle. So there is an innervation of intrinsic eye muscle. So you can see there is a trochlear nerve 4, CN4, and there is a abducens. Okay, there is a one more nerve, that is abducens nerve. Okay, this nerve, it's connected to the lateral rectus muscle to move the eye laterally. Okay, we all know that the function of the nerve is to give the signal to do something. Okay, in the simple language, the function of the nerve is to carry signal from the brain to the organs, or from organs to the brain. So that is the main function. So this abducens nerve CN6, cranial nerve 6, it gives signal to the left rectus muscle to move laterally. Okay, to abduct. And there is one more term, that is trochlear nerve. Trochlear nerve, it innervate this trochlea. Okay, so that's the two innervation of the eye extrinsic muscle. So I think we have covered the eye extrinsic muscle, the whole thing. So that's it from my side. Thank you. Take care.